potato backer for it, because why not? Because potatoes are cool. So this is not an original idea, and I am picking up bits and pieces from things that I've been experimenting with, things I've been learning from many other people. So I'm not here to take all that credit, but I am here to share with you my learning journey, and hopes that it inspires you to take this idea or other ideas and make it super sweet. My end goal is to create an interactive scratch game using Makey Makey. And eventually maybe even expanding that to using Lego WeDo or microbits or other things as a controller. So the first thing we need to do is actually just get some things going. So I have a new project here in Scratch 3.0, and what I'm going to be doing is calling this Potato Pong. Potato Pong. All right. So what I want to do is I need to create a ball. So a couple things. You can, if you want, you can search for a new sprite. And you can type in ball and pick any of these options that you would like. For me, I have a different one that I'm going to upload. So I'm going to upload a sprite that I have from a collection. And I'm actually going to go down here and I'm going to find my potato. Let's see, do I want red potato or regular? Let's go regular. So here is my potato that we're going to be bouncing back and forth. And I'm actually just going to, this guy's so small, I'm going to make him a little bit bigger. We're going to make him 150. And so once I have him, I want to go ahead and I want to make sure that he is right in the middle. So I think we're going to be okay here with all that centered. And there we go. And just to make sure all is well, we're just going to throw in some blocks here. And so I'm actually going to get up here. And we'll be manipulating this over time, but we're just one click to start the game. We're actually just going to move him, but we're going to do it forever. We're just going to move him. Let's just go motion here. Let's just make it 2 for now. And let's just see what it looks like. Perfect. So he seems to be in good shape. It's moving pretty well. I think we'll be all right. So there's the first step. If you want, you can make your own sprites. I can go here in Paint and make my own. I could, just use a circle if I wanted to and make this whatever color or shape or size that I would want. That's completely up to you. Or you can upload, or you can use one of theirs that they already have created in that sprite caption. I'm actually going to delete this out because I got what I want. So there's our first step, is to get the material. Since this is Potato Pong, you know what, we're going to, I think I got that spelled wrong, isn't it? It's just potato. Alright, so let's move into the next step here of getting our flippers, and I need to figure out what kind of flippers I want to use.